Bathed in the gentle embrace of morning light, Trisha's room is a haven of quiet. Trisha, restless at 9, lies in bed, a world of boredom stretching before her. Across the room, her younger sister, Trish, slumbers peacefully, untouched by the morning's ennui. The room, adorned with silent toys and plush companions, holds its breath, awaiting the day's awakening. In this tranquil tableau, the contrast between sisterly stillness and restless energy sets the stage for a new day. Trisha lies in her bed. Her eyes widen as she notices a subtle movement. Mr. Snuffles, the treasured teddy bear, twitches a paw, capturing Trisha's attention. Trisha's breath hitches in her throat, a mix of disbelief and fear washing over her. Against all expectations, Mr. Snuffles begins to sit up, defying the stillness of the room. Trisha watches in utter disbelief as Mr. Snuffles continues to rise. Mr. Snuffles is sitting. In the early morning light, Mr. Snuffles sits upright, looking disheveled and grumpy. Mr. Snuffles rubs his button eyes, his brow furrowed with teddy bear concern. With a voice full of morning grumbles, Mr. Snuffles exclaims, "Oh, my stuffing! It feels like I have been sleeping on a pile of rocks. Lumpy, lumpy, lumpy." Trisha's voice rings out with glee. "Sisa, Mr. Snuffles is awake." The bedroom transforms into a vibrant playground as Sir Reginald, the plastic knight, begins his rigorous calisthenics. Pegasus, the moth-eaten unicorn, trots stiffly, his aged body showing every gallop. Captain Flappy, the threadbare parrot, flaps his wings silently, a veteran of countless imaginary voyages. The room bursts with the energy of awakened toys, each embarking on their nightly adventures. Sunlight bathes the child's bedroom, illuminating scattered toys across the floor. Mr. Snuffles, the stuffed bear, sits upright, blinking in the sudden brightness. Mr. Snuffles, in a moment of awakening, whispers, "What a peculiar morning." Pegasus appears, wings shimmering, her voice echoing in the sunlit room. Pegasus declares, "It's the magic of imagination that has brought us to life for the day." Mr. Snuffles and Pegasus stand side by side, ready to face the day. In a burst of youthful energy, Trisha's mischievous eyes sparkle with anticipation as she bounces on the bed, ready to embark on an adventure. Trisha proclaims, "We shall embark on the greatest quest of all, the quest for the perfect picnic." Trisha's voice drops to a conspiratorial whisper as she outlines the necessities for their grand adventure. First, we need the magical items: golden apple juice, sun, kissed crackers, and the fuzziest blanket. Two young girls prepare for an adventure, their arms overflowing with cherished stuffed animals. With soft footsteps, they begin their march, an army of innocents advancing through the hallway. Each step is filled with purpose as the girls move forward, their destination drawing nearer. The hallway stretches before them, a path to a culinary quest. The kitchen awaits the final destination in their playful march. The kitchen unfolds, a gleaming stage of stainless steel and polished granite, ready for culinary artistry. At the kitchen's far end, the refrigerator looms, a stark white giant guarding culinary secrets. Trisha points to the top shelf, where the golden apple juice hides behind a formidable glacier of leftovers. The glacier of leftovers guards the golden apple juice. In the heart of the kitchen, Sir Reginald the bulldog eyes the refrigerator as a prize to be won. With a frustrated huff, Sir Reginald slides back down, his ambitions momentarily thwarted. Trish, her eyes sparkling with inspiration, observes the scene, a clever plan forming in her mind. A playful idea sparks as Trish points towards Pegasus, the pony, then gestures to the refrigerator drawer, her intentions becoming clear. Trish mimes the stacking of Sir Reginald atop Pegasus, and Mr. Snuffles, the cat, above Sir Reginald, a whimsical tower of creatures. A tower of adventurers stands, wobbling slightly, in the kitchen. Trisha opens the refrigerator, a cold gust swirling around the group. Mr. Snuffles stretches, his paws reaching towards a juice bottle. The tower sways more violently. In the kitchen, Mr. Snuffles stretches a paw toward the juice, oblivious to the impending chaos. The precarious tower teeters. A disaster is imminent. With lightning speed, Trisha swoops in, saving Mr. Snuffles and the precious juice from certain doom. Pegasus and Sir Reginald plunge headfirst into the vegetable drawer, their dignity lost to the chaos. Amidst the disarray, Pegasus and Sir Reginald clutch tightly to the golden apple juice, their prize secured. The group advances down the hallway, their determination echoing in every step. Trisha points towards the hallway closet, her eyes twinkling with mischief. With a playful grin, she unveils their destination, calling it the Linen Cave. The Fuzziest Blanket is on the top shelf. In the dim confines of the hallway closet, Captain Flappy fearlessly enters. Disaster strikes as he becomes ensnared in a hanging sheet, a clean laundry ghost. Trisha's voice echoes with playful alarm. Captain Flappy's been captured by the ghost of clean laundry. The sheet billows around Captain Flappy, a stark white shroud in the dim light. Amidst the chaos, the scent of freshly laundered fabric fills the air. Trish frantically tears into the hallway closet, a storm of white linen swirling around her. Emerging from the depths, Trish is draped in a ghostly shroud, a pillowcase transformed into a playful costume. Captain Flappy takes his place, perched atop Trish's head, adding a touch of whimsical charm to the spectral ensemble. With a final flourish, Trish's transformation is complete, ready to haunt and delight in equal measure. In the dim glow of the hallway closet, Mr. Snuffles and Pegasus fixate on a treasure above. Bathed in gentle light, the Fuzziest Blanket awaits, a beacon of comfort. Trisha bursts back into view, a mischievous grin lighting up her face as she clutches a vibrant ball of yarn. With a giggle, Trisha unveils her plan. Time to bring this down. The blanket is about to be pulled down. Trisha and Trish's bedroom transforms into the center stage for a magical picnic, bathed in the soft glow of accomplishment. A colorful blanket becomes the foundation of a grand magical picnic. With beaming smiles, Trisha and Trish prepare to settle down, surrounded by their beloved Stuffies. The fruits of their successful quest await as Trisha and Trish prepare to relish their magical feast. Amidst a sea of cherished Stuffies, the magical picnic promises an evening of joy and wonder.